Hi, in this video I'll be reviewing this dashcam from ultimatedashcam.com. So the folks at this website, ultimatedashcam.com, which is basically a website that sells dashcams, they got in touch and they wanted me to review a dashcam, so they sent me this one. Shall we open it up? Pretty cool. So that's the dashcam. There is no lock file feature on it anywhere if you want to save files, but the lack of a lock button, I understand, will put a fair few people off buying this dashcam. So if you're after a camera just to put in your car, forget about it until you ever need it, then this is ideal for you. It has got a G sensor on it, so it does detect a bump. It will lock the file automatically. But if you do want to get files off it, there is an app, a Wi-Fi app, because it is a Wi-Fi camera, and you can also connect your phone to the Wi-Fi app to take the files off it that way, or you can take the memory card out, which goes in there, and put it into your computer to view the files that way. So in the box you just get your lead and your dash cam, and obviously your instruction manual, so you need to supply your own micro SD card that fits in there. Now it is an angled power supply, so it should fit nicely out from the roof of the car into the dash cam, like that, so it's all nice and neat. So now it's time to test the camera, see if it's any good. So here's what it looks like when it's in the car. I've used a bit of blue tack there because I don't want it permanently installed in the vehicle, so it fits nice and discreetly behind your rear view mirror. So now it's installed, shall we get some footage? Now I've been for a spin. Let's take a look at the Wi-Fi app. I've connected to the camera with the Wi-Fi. So this is the Wi-Fi app. So that's me now looking through the camera, and we'll see how far we can get. Just to see if you can monitor your car from your house if you've got a hardwire set up. I think I've lost myself here. There's my car down there. Oh, it's a bit of a delay there, it's buffering. So I've tried and tested the app out. When it's connected to the app, you can get quite a good range on to access your camera on your phone. There was a few issues that I've had with the app where sometimes it wouldn't connect and other times it would. And I haven't actually managed to download any videos from the app. It just seems to freeze at this point. So now I'm going to take a look at some footage from the SD card itself, and I'm going to put that in the computer and we'll see how good that is. This is how the files are displayed on the SD card. If there's any video files saved through a G sensor activation, which means that the car's taken a bump, they'll be saved in that file there. All your regular recordings are saved in there, which is a DCIMA. And I've got some footage from the daytime and the nighttime to go through. So here's some sample footage from the dashcam. I don't think it's as sharp as it could be, but it will do if you need to be covered for an accident. You can make out car edges if they're close to you, but if they're far away, it just comes a bit of a blur. And I've recorded some audio footage taken from the dashcam itself. So this is what the audio sounds like from the camera. And also it might be worth pointing out that there is no function on it. There's no button that you can press to save clips. So the only way of doing that to save clips is to install the app or
insert the SD card into the computer to get your clips off that way.
And here's some footage from low light levels. And here is some nighttime footage in the dark. I should also point out that it displays the date and time in the lower right hand side of the screen in yellow text. So that concludes my review on this camera from ultimate-cam.com. There's all sorts of cameras on the website. And this is the one I've reviewed. It's $44.99. I will post a link in the description box below to the website and to this dash cam, so you can have a look, have a browse, see if there's anything there you might be interested in. So in the meantime, make sure you subscribe to the channel, because I will be doing more dashcam compilations and dashcam clips, as well as more dashcam reviews in the near future. So stay tuned.